Alright guys, so today's topic, we went over front double cross. Sorry, I lost it. It's front double cross, also outside turn, also exercises to do your turns better and not big. So first, front double cross without this, basic. 1, 2, 3, always your feet turn out. 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, feet turn out. Again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, turn around. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7. Almost fell. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Basic. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. For inside turns, this stance is always the one that you want, especially on your 5, follows 5, yes, and 7. For the leads, 5, 6, 7, 1, and 3. So, anyway, so we're here. Boom, we close, and we open. Open, but keep your legs together. For spotting purposes, first, as we do the first turnaround, we're spotting the wall. We keep spotting the wall, and then when we go back, we do a kick. 1, 2, 3. Yes, instead of being close again, we do 1, 2, 3. For the outside turn, this is your position. Okay, you don't start spotting until you actually turn around. Close. As we open, boom. Yes, as we close, we can, this time we actually close because it's 7, yes, and then 1. Some of the follows, when you're doing the hairbrush, it may you do this, 1. Okay, your hairbrush should not affect your frame. 1, 2, and 3, especially after the hairbrush, yes, together. 1. First, we started like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 5. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Then from the top, doing the left turn. 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. From this side, 7. 1, I prep. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Hand on the pocket. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. See you, see.